Hello ASVAB warriors. In today's video, we are going to learn about midpoint formula from the chapter coordinate geometry. So in this basically topic, we are going to learn about how to find the midpoint of two different coordinate points. Now we have taken point A and point B. So first thing, what I need to do, we will initially find the coordinates of A and B. So the coordinate x coordinate of A is nothing but 3. The y coordinate of A is nothing but 2. The x coordinate of B is nothing but 4. The y coordinate of B is nothing but -4. So what I'm going to do, I will just write down the points A, B with their coordinates in the left hand side. So here we go. A is nothing but 3, 2, whereas B is nothing but 4, -4. And what we're going to do, we're going to name them as x1, y1, x2, y2. x1, y1, x2, y2. Now, midpoint formula is very easy, guys. So what you need to do, if you need to find the midpoint of this two of the line joining two different points. So what you need to do? Midpoint formula. It's nothing but x1 plus x2 over 2, comma, y1 plus y2 over 2. Remember, the midpoint is also going to be a point in the coordinate plane only. So we need to write it in the form x, y. Okay. So now what I will do, I will just update or just replace the values of x1 and y1 in this equation. So we are going to substitute the values of the points x1, y1, x2, y2 into this equation or in this formula. So x1 is nothing but 3. x2 is nothing but 4. You divide that by 2. y1 is nothing but 2. y2 is nothing but -4 over 2. Now, guys, what we are going to do, we are going to solve it further. 3 plus 4 is nothing but 7 over 2, comma. 2 plus -4. This plus times negative becomes negative. So 2 minus 4 is nothing but -2 over 2. What do you get? 7 divided by 2, 3.5. Comma, -2 over 2 is nothing but -1. So guys, this is the midpoint M of the line AB. We'll just try. Now, as we got the values of the midpoint, which is nothing but 3.5, -1, I'm going to just plot this in the coordinate plane or coordinate axes that we have over there. So let me take you back. So it's 3.5, -1. Ta-da! Let me try to find out 3.5. 3.5. So 3.5 on the positive x-axis. It will lie somewhere over here. And -1 will be somewhere over here. So if this line was straight, the midpoint would have been here, which is nothing but 3.5, -1. I hope you understood this. I'm going to solve one more problem for your clear understanding of this midpoint theorem. Now let's say the question says find the midpoint of the line joining these two coordinate axes P, which is nothing but 5, 3, and Q, which is nothing but 2, -3. So let's see. According to the formula, midpoint formula, it's nothing but x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. Let's substitute the values of x1, y1, x2, y2 into this. So initially, let me just give them these names x1, y1, x2, y2. Let's substitute it now. So here we have The midpoint will be given by the addition of x1 and x2, which is nothing but 5 plus x2 is 2 over 2, comma 3, which is nothing but y1, negative 3, which is nothing but y2. So 3 plus negative 3 over 2. Now, what am I going to get in this part? 5 plus 2. It's nothing but 7 over 2. 3 plus negative 3 is 0. So 0 over 2. So the final answer is going to be, guys, 7 over 2 is nothing but 3.5 or 3.5, comma 0 over 2. Any number, like if you divide 0 with any number, in the end you're going to get 0 only. So this is your midpoint, 3.5, comma 0. So I hope you understood how to find the midpoint of any two given coordinate points. Now I'm going to give you two questions so that you can try it out, and if you get the answer, please put that into the comment box below. So here, find out the midpoint of the line joining the coordinates A 5, comma negative 8, B negative 8, comma 5. Next point, P, which is, let's say, negative 3, comma negative 7, and Q 3, comma 9. So these are the 2 points that you need to find the coordinate for. This is question number 1, question number 2. Okay guys, so that is it for the day. I hope to see you soon in the next video. Thank you.